this is the last of the assessments that's kind of just guiding us to the features of the book. And one of the features that's often not seen is the appendix because it shows up at the end. So this question asks, if you get stuck on an organic chemistry assessment, give 3 questions you might ask yourself to help you get unstuck. Check out Appendix A. So you go to Appendix A and you see questions like, or statements, the ball rolls downhill, negatives attack positives, work backwards, estimate delta H, what's more acidic, what's more basic, which is more stable, right? These questions, right? Here's the value for those questions for organic chemistry. Those questions get you thinking about something else. A lot of times we're trying to work a problem, we get intimidated by that problem, or we get stuck and we panic, our heart rate increases and we don't know what to do. If you have just these kind of statements of, okay, number the carbons, work backwards, negatives attack positives. What's this reagent going to do? Is this acidic? Is this basic? Right? Asking yourself some of those simple questions can help you get unstuck. What's the value of this assessment that we're working now and pointing out the appendix? The appendix has a lot of cool stuff, and it's in kind of short bits of information. Much of what's in the appendix applies to the course itself, so you may not find a ton of relevance in the appendix material right at the beginning, but get to know, become familiar with the appendix, because a lot of these appendices were created from my own study guides, right? When I was a student, or even a graduate student working on how can I compile these things that I need to know. The appendix has a lot of that stuff. So you may find similar value in some of the appendix material yourself, especially Appendix A, these questions to help get you unstuck. So check it out, the appendix.